If the speed settings on your KitchenAid tilt head stand mixer are too slow or too fast, you can usually quickly correct this by calibrating the speed control board. First, remove the screw at the top of the end cover with a Phillips head screwdriver. Then tilt the cover back and lift while pulling away from the machine to remove it. This panel at the back, with the wires connected to it, is the speed control board. The two screws in the top corners control how fast the planetary rotates in low gear. The bottom screw adjusts the speed while in high gear. We only need to calibrate two settings: the number of rotations per minute while in the slowest stir setting, and the number of rotations at medium speed 6. To get a baseline measurement of the speed, place your thumb to the side of the planetary, set the mixer to stir, and count the number of times the shaft touches your thumb in 10 seconds. If using a timer, start the timer when the shaft makes contact with your thumb, and start counting beginning with the next touch. The target speed for stir is 10 rotations in 10 seconds, or 60 rotations per minute, so each revolution should take 1 second. You can see that my mixer is set at much too high a speed. To change the stir speed, we'll need to adjust the two screws at the top corners. So first, we need to loosen the silver nuts holding them in place. Using needle-nosed pliers, firmly grasp the nut and turn it counterclockwise a quarter turn. Do this with both nuts. Tightening the screws will decrease the speed, and loosening them increases the speed. So with the mixer on, when I tighten these screws, you'll hear the motor slowing down. Make sure to adjust both sides evenly so that the speed control plate stays parallel to the machine. Now when we check the speed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, you can see that the speed is nearly perfect. Then we'll tighten the nuts again to lock this speed setting. Now that the stir speed is set, we'll set the mixer's speed 6. And here, we want the speed to be 30 revolutions in 10 seconds. So again, mine is set too fast. The adjustments for this are opposite of the top screws. So loosening the screw lowers the speed, while tightening it will increase the speed. After making the adjustments, let's count 10 revolutions 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that happened in almost exactly 10 seconds. Now the mixer is running beautifully again. I hope you enjoyed this repair video. You can ask me any questions in the comments. You can check out my re-greasing and worm gear replacement video for this mixer in the info bubble above. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join me next time.